Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the light switch in a Vauxhall Corsa D. Now, the light switch on this car is all the way down here, and to remove it, we need a prying tool. A prying tool like this is ideal for the job because it's made of plastic and is therefore unlikely to damage the car's trim. If you haven't got one of those, you can of course use a flat-headed screwdriver, and to minimise any damage, simply cover the tip of your screwdriver with a tissue or cloth. Now, to remove the switch, grab your favoured prying tool, then poke it first here, because that's where there's a metal clip we need to release. So in it goes, and then give it a wiggle, like so. And we can see the switch has already come loose around there. So now work your way around with the prying tool, and then no trouble whatsoever. The whole switch is released and it pulls forwards like so. And that reveals this electrical connector that we need to release. To separate the electrical connector from the switch, we need to press this little tab there, like so, and then hold it in position, and then just pull, give it a wiggle, and eventually the electrical connector and the switch will separate. Things are going well. As for buying a new light switch for a Vauxhall Corsa D, they're readily available on eBay for a modest price. As for fitting the new light switch, we start by sliding in the electrical connector, like so, and now we need to drive that home until it clicks firmly in position. There we are. And now, of course, all we have to do is slide the switch back into the dashboard, just like that. And finally, of course, operate all the buttons on the switch to confirm it's working. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.